So very good morning students, welcome back to second year again, second year physics. See, on the basis of a combination of resistors, we'll continue the same topic. Again we have some problems. See the questions. So page number 183, question number 5. Page number 183, question number is 5. So look at first the given data. You are given a 8 ohm resistor. What length of the wire of resistivity is given? Of course, there will be a resistivity is given, 120 ohm meter is given, should be joined in parallel with it to get a value of 6 ohm. Here, see this resistivity of the wire given, and here another resistance is given as the 8 ohm is given, and this resistance is connected to the resistivity of a wire, and for this combination the effective resistance or effective resistance will be given as 6 ohm. Now is asking what should be joined in a parallel. So for this resistance is asking, R2 is asking directly. So now these two are connected in the parallel. The effective we know Rp is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Of course we need to find. Rp is already given, R1 is there, and here R2 we don't know, but for that R2 is asking R2, no, right, is asking what is the length of wire of resistivity. So is asking length also, for this wire length. So now we need to get a first R2, because R is equal to rho L by A, no, of course. So now here we should get this R L rho L by A. So here first you find Rp. Rp is there, that Rp is 6 ohm, R1 is 8 ohm, R2 we need to get, and again 8 plus R2. So it is 3 times, it is 4 times. So 3 is 8 plus R2 is equal to cross multiply 4R it is. 8 3s are 24 plus 3R2 is equal to 4R2. This you take that side, therefore R2 will be what happens, 24 is equal to, it is I mean to say 4R2 minus 3R2. So 24 is equal to R2. This is the R2 value. Clear? Now here we need to get a which one? It is length of the wire of resistivity R2. So R2 is equal to rho L by A. So R2 is equal to, rho is given as 120. We need to find a length. Here actually area of the wire actually pi R square we can say. But unfortunately in the given question R is not given, right? The small r, radius is not given. Look at it, look into the question. Radius is not given. If not given, therefore the data is insufficient. So we cannot get a L value. If radius of the wire if is given in the question, if is given, then we can get a L. But here unfortunately radius of the wire is not given, no, so that we cannot find. We cannot, because it is a data is insufficient. You write there like that only. Data is insufficient, you say. Data is insufficient. So this is the given question answer. Okay. All right. Next one. We'll see the next question. The combinations only. Right. Actually, I want to say about these questions. Page number 186. Exercise, page number 186. Page number 186. Page number 186. Question number 6.3. Page number 186, question number 6.3. Right. 186, I think it is very easy. 186, question number 6.3. In this, there are two bits are there. First bit, 3 resistors, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm are combined in series. What the total resistance of the combination? Of course, R1 is given. First one I am doing. 1 ohm is given. R2 is given. 2 ohm. R3 is given. 3 ohm. And is asking first one series. So RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is very easy, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3, because in series no, it is 6 ohm will get. This is the first bit is over. As well as is asking second bit, if the combination is connected to the battery of EMF 12V and the negligible internal resistance, obtain the potential drop across each resistor. Now second bit is asking 3 are connected in series, right? You take a diagram and there will be an internal resistance is negligible. Applied voltage is given as 12V and each resistance is 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. Is asking find a individual potential differences. This one and this one V2 is asking. In the question it is given V3 is asking. Now let us actually again we have to do same thing. How much a current actually entering here? That is very important, because from the battery, from the source, so what current is entering at this A. So of course it is leaving also, that must be seen. So now we need to find a first the current from the source. So that here you take I is equal to EMF or V, like you say V by total resistance is RS. In this I is equal to 12 by is given as what? RS is 6 ohm. So 6 ones 2. So how much current is entering here? 2 ampere current is entering at the junction A. Of course all are in series, no? Directly we can take like this. For first one I am saying about this V1 question mark, potential drop is equal to I into R1 you see. So V1 is equal to how much current? 2 ampere into resistance is 1 ohm is given. So 2 volt series between these two ends. What about these two ends? You go for the second. V2 is question mark. V2 is equal to I into R2. I is 2. R will be the 2 ohms. So that here it is will be, it is like this, because the potential differences are different to know. So that you take a different, will get a different. So V3 is question mark again. V3 is equal to I into R3, right? I will be 2. R3 will be 3. So that here 6 volt. So like this we can say. See, here you see whatever the applied is there, no, this will be same. 2, 4, because the total will be V1 plus V2 plus V3, no. We should get the potential difference also same of the source. See, 12 is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6. So what happens? It is will be 12 is equal to, will get the 12 only. Look at whatever the source potential difference is there, no, the combination also will get the same. But individual resistors we need to find, because we don't know, no, what will be the potential difference between these two ends and between these two ends and between these two ends, because it is depends on only resistance. This is depends on only resistance. That's what here we need to find a V1, V2, V3 in case of a series combination. So this is the one question related to the series combination, so which is given in the material. In the same page number 186 page number only, there is another question is given that is related to 6.4 question number. See, read the question. 3 resistors 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 5 ohm are connected in parallel. Now you take, there is a resistors are given in parallel, right? So that here it is 2 ohm, 4 ohm and 5 ohm are connected in parallel. Of course you draw a parallel combination, so the which is given like this. So these all are connected at a one point with a battery of EMF. Of course there will be a battery of EMF is given 20V. Yeah, get first effective resistance. Yeah, get first effective resistance. What will be the effective resistance? Tell me effective resistance. So you do all parallel combination, no? Simple. For parallel combination, there is a current is enters and it is divided as I1, I2, I3, and resistance is R1, R2, R3. Potential differences are same. Now the current is entering, I know. So first you get effective resistance is Rp is the question mark. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 is 2, 1 by R4, 1 by 5. So you take, first of all, LCM here we need to take, right? That will be what happens, it is I think 5 fours. See, you take 2 into 4, 8. I think it is will be 2 fours are 8, 8 fives are 40 will get, right? If I take LCM. So it's maybe 2 into 4 into 5. So approximately we'll get the it is 4, 8 fives are 40 will get. So 2 ones, 2 20s cancel, 4 ones 10, it is 5 ones 5 eights. Maybe it is 38 by 40 I think. 1920, 19 by 20 is the 1 by Rp. 19 by 20. Rp is equal to 20 by 19. This is the combination of the parallel. This is will be what? Parallel combination effective resistance. Then after what is asking, look at, is asking what? Individual currents are asking. So here we don't know how much current is entering here, right? I we need to find actually, but before that, see, we should get a I1 and I2 and I3. See, I1 question mark, I1 is through the R1, no? So that I1 is equal to V1 by R1, shall I? So that here V is how much is given? V is 20, no? You say V is 20, R1 is the resistance through this 2 ohms. So that here we'll get 10 ampere through the first resistor, and get same I2 is equal to V by R2. Of course 20 by, what is R2 is there? 4 ohm, 4 ones, 4 fives. I3 is equal to V by R3. What will be the V? 20 again. What will be the R3? R3 is given as 5. 5 ones, 5 fours. Now you add this total current I1 plus I2 plus I3. So I is equal to, I1 is 10, I2 is 5 and 4. So that it is 20, I mean to say 19 ampere current. See, you are entering, how much current is entering here? 19 ampere is entering. And again, this will be leave also same. Leave also same. But here it is divided as 10 ampere. It is to be 5 ampere and it is to be, I think it is 4 ampere. And you add this all, again we'll get the same 19 ampere current only. I told you very clear. Whatever the current is entering, that must be leave from the other end. So this is the related to parallel combination, right? See, I want to see other problems on this basis. Right, there is a sixth question, you look at the page number 184. Page number 184. Page number 184, sixth question. The given question, once you see, 3 resistors 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm and 9 ohm are connected to a battery. In which of them will be the power dispatched is maximum? Of course, it is a power related, but the power is not finished. If all they are connected in parallel and they are connected in series. Let us see parallel and series only, I want to say. So first of all, I am giving only, not we are not calculating power because power related is not finished, no. So only will do R1 is equal to 3 ohm, R2 is equal to 6 ohm, R3 is equal to 9 ohm. You don't go for the power, just you find RS and RP, that's all. Then after that RS and RP you get each. Suppose now I am going for the series, no, this all are connected like this. For the practice I am telling, suppose you take R1 is equal to 3 ohm, R2 is equal to 6 ohm, R3 is equal to 9 ohm, and here the potential differences are V1, this is V2, and this you say V3. Okay, like this is given. Of course there is a maximum potential difference is given, but we don't know potential difference, right? So that you need to find just RS. Series is R1 plus R2 plus R3. Of course very simple it is. We know R1. What is R1? It is 3 plus 6 plus 9. So that is RS is equal to 9 plus 9, 18 ohm it is in case of a series. So the same question if I take a parallel, therefore there will be a 3 resistors which are connected in like this. Clear? And these are connected to the power of battery, EMF R1, R2, R3. There is a current enters and it is divided as I1, I2 and I3. So which come out from the other end is same current. So here RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So 1 by RP is equal to R1 is, we say 3, R2 is 6 and R3 is 9. So again you take a same issue like LCM. This may be 3 into 6, 18, 18 into 9. See, 8 9s are 72, 7, 8, 9 ones and 10, I think 162 it is. So 1 by RP is equal to 1 by 62. So that after simplification we may get the final answer will be, so because you take the simplification you may get the 11 by 18 it is. So RP is equal to 18 by 11. This is the for series and parallel combination. Don't go for the power because the power is not over. So you don't look into the power. Just to see the series and parallel combination I want to tell you, that's all. So power we have other next topic is there. So in that we'll see power related. Yeah, there is another question is there in long answer type question, that is page number 181. Page number 181, question number is 4. Question number is 4. One 181 page number, question number is 4, right? So 3 resistors, 4 ohm, 6 ohm and 12 ohm. R1, 4 ohm, R2, 6 ohm, R3, 12 ohm are connected in parallel. The combination of above resistor is connected in series to a resistance of 2 ohm and then the battery of 6 volt. Draw the current diagram and calculate the current in a main circuit, current flowing through the each resistor of resistor in parallel and the potential difference and the power used to buy the 2 ohm resistor. So of course power you leave because power is not over, no, just you go for the series and parallel. First one is given as parallel combination. So you draw a circuit diagram also is asking. Yes, of course there will be a given is like this. Actually there is a potential difference, I mean to say volt is given, current is entering like this I, and it is divided as I1, I2, I3, and here is R1, R2, R3. First one we need to get effective resistance question mark. 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So now you substitute this all values, get effective resistance Rp is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. Again you take an LCM. So the approximately LCM will get 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 12, right? It is the 12 is the LCM. So that it is 4 divided by 4, 3, 6 divided by 2, 2, and it is 1. 1 by Rp is equal to, I think it is a 6 by 12, then the answer is 1 by 2, resultant will be 2 ohms. I told you, no, the resultant is always less than the individual resistors for combination of parallel. Now let us is asking what? Series also is asking, no? So for series what? For this Rp, see, series is nothing but for this Rp, there is another resistance is connected in series. Yes, it is a Rp and you say this is R. So battery of voltage is given 6 volt. For this combination Rs is equal to, you say Rp plus R. Rp is we know 2 and Rs we know 2. So that it is 4 ohm. This is over, this part is over. But now is asking current through the individual resistors as well as the Rp and R4 in series, no, through the current is same. So current is same, no. First we need to get a current. See third one, I is equal to, we don't know, right? I how much is entering. So that I need to find by using a effective resistance, that is R4, no, because this is R is the series, no. So I is equal to V by, it is Rs series. V is how much? 6 by 4. So it is maybe 3 by 2. Current I is equal to, it is 1.5 ampere is entering here. How much is entering? 1.5 is entering. Current I is equal to 1.5 ampere is entering and leaving out from this same. Now he is asking what? Current in a resistor connected in a parallel, no? So in that parallel that we need to find. So what? First of all, in case of a parallel combination, the parallel in parallel I1 we don't know, I2 we don't know, I3 we don't know. But here current is entering at a parallel combination, here 1.5 is entering. But this is divided as 3 parts, no? So that first part we need to find, that is the current through the first resistor R1, right? You say I1 is equal to Vp by, it is R1 you say. What is Vp? The given potential difference is for Vp, no? Vp in the sense is we need to find Vp, right? So the R4, that is R we need to get, R already we know. So 1.5 the current and through the resistance is 2. So you do one thing. First of all, here we need to get potential difference, because we don't know, no, how much through this. This is in series, no, so that we should get a Vp question mark and Vs is question mark. If I know Vp, this Vp all same, no, so that here you go for like this, Vp is equal to I into Rp. I is how much? 1.5. Current I is. Rp is how much? Here it is given as 2. So that it is 3 volt it is through this. That means through this potential difference is that is we can say 3 volt. So by using this we can get a currents, no. So before that, in case of a Vp, that is V minus V4, because we don't know, no, Vp is equal to V minus V4. V is how much? So there will be a V's. You say this subtraction, just you take a subtraction between the 6 and the 3. 6 minus 3. It is approximately 3 is the Vp. Yeah, now you get currents. That is the current will be I1 is equal to Vp by R1. What is Vp? 3. What is R1 you say? It is 4 ohm. So that here approximately we may get 0.7 and I2 is equal to Vp by R2. So Vp, what is Vp now? 3. What is R2 now? 6. So that is 1.1 by 2. I2 is equal to 0. I think 5. And I3 is equal to Vp by R3. So Vp is how much? Again 3. R3 is how much? 12. So 3 ones, 3 fours. 1 by 4 it is. So I3 is equal to, there may be a current is 0.25. So if you add this I1, I2 and I3 if I add, then we'll get the current is equal to 1.5. So this is the way we need to get like this. Of course the power is asking, but not required to get the power. So suppose you want to get a potential difference for next one, that resistance in series is there, no? Therefore you take that resistance into current 1.2, no, 3 ohms only. Here also it is series, no? we'll get the Vs also 3 ohms, because in series combination the current entering is same and the resistance also same, no, therefore we'll get the series also combination will be same. So this is about it today's class, and we'll see the next class. Continuation with other topics are there, so I'll continue in the next class. Thank you very much.